Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn design patterns. Before starting with the lecture, let me introduce myself. I am Professor Poonam Mahale, working in IT department of KKWA College of Engineering, Education and Research. So let's start today's lecture with the first topic, that is, what are design patterns? Design patterns help you to choose a design alternatives that make a system reusable. So we can define design patterns as a pattern is a general repeatable solution to commonly occurring problem in a software design. Each pattern describes a problem which occurs over and over again and in our environment. Again, it also describes the core solution to that problem. So, design patterns are description of communicating objects and classes that are customized to solve a general design problem. Design pattern isn't a finished design that can be directly transformed directly into the code. So the design pattern can be defined as a named, well-known problem solution pair which can be applied in a new context and guides on how to apply in the current situation and a discussion of its trade-off implementation variations. So the classification of design patterns, there are three types of design pattern: creational, structural and behavioral. Today we are going to learn a creator pattern which comes under GRASP, that is General Assignment General Responsibility Assignment Software Pattern. GRASP consists of guidelines required for designing an object. The different patterns and principles used under GRASP are creator pattern, information expert, controller, low coupling, high cohesion, etc. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn a GRASP object creational pattern, that is creator and information expert. So let's start first pattern, that is creator pattern. Basically, creator pattern provides a solution for a problem. The problem is, creator pattern says we should create an instance of a new class. If we are having a problem to creating an instance of a new class, we are not able to understand when to create an instance of a new class. In that case, creator problem provides a solution. Creator problem, the solution for this is, creator problem says that consider if we want to assign, we are assigning a responsibility to class B to create an instance of a class A. So class B have to create an instance of class A if one of the following condition is true. So class B contains A, class B aggregates A, class B records A, and class B closely uses A. If one of the following condition is true, then class B can create instance of class A. Consider an example for instance creation with the help of creator pattern. So we have considered the system that is nothing but an library management system. In a library management system, when a book is added in the library, the catalog is updated by its title. Then creator pattern can be applied as catalog can create the, see here, catalog can create the instance of a book. That means whenever book is added, the catalog is updated by its title. So here creator pattern can be applied as for creating an instance. So when we want to add the records in the database, in that case table creates a new instance for a data row. Using this instance, the records can be added in the table at the next two row. So we can say that creation of an object is the main responsibility and that is achieved with the help of creator pattern. In object-oriented system, creation of an object is a common task and this task is guided by your creator pattern. Basic goal of creator pattern is to find a creator that need to be connected to the created object in any event. Composition relation is used in the creator pattern. Is an excellent candidate considered by the creator pattern for creating an object. Benefits of creator pattern. Creator pattern supports Creator pattern supports low coupling, and due to low coupling there are less dependencies between the objects, and if the objects are less dependent, that means the objects can be reusable. So reusability is achieved with the help of creator pattern. Next we'll see information expert pattern in detail. So information expert, the problem for information expert is, what is the basic principle of assigning responsibilities to an object? Suppose we are having such kind of scenario. Then solution is provided by information expert. Information expert says that assign a responsibility to the class that has the information needed to respond it. That means a class is having enough information to fulfill certain requirement, and such class is known as an information expert. If we consider an application, that is ATM system application, some class might need to know the account balance. There are some classes that requires account balance. So while finding the information expert, make a use of principle, that is start assigning responsibilities by clearly stating the responsibility. So following questions can be asked, that is who is responsible for creating the balance of amount. So by information expert we should look for the class of the object that needs a balance amount. So to know balance amount we need to know account number of the customer and the transaction made by the customer till date. See, if we want to identify balance of any customer, there are two things that we require. Account number of that particular customer, along with that the transaction made by the same customer till date, and these information might be available with the bank class. So consider an example for information that we need to determine the account balance. Bank class is responsible for providing the account number. So bank access customer as well as account. So bank class will return the account number of the desired customer, and because it is managed by account class, so bank is interacting with the account class, bank will identify the account number and give a response of balance information to the customer of particular customer. So information expert is used in this case for assigning the responsibilities, but for fulfillment of the responsibilities the access to the information which is spread across the classes is needed. So bank is an information expert class in this scenario. So this is how information expert class or information expert pattern works. The name is given information expert because that particular class is having enough information to fulfill the requirement of other classes. Again, there are benefits of information expert class. Information expert also supports low coupling as well as high cohesion. So these are the two benefits, and that's why information expert and creator pattern plays an important role in the design pattern. High cohesion, that means the classes are sticking together. In object-oriented system, cohesion is said to be a measure of relatedness of all the elements. Here in this picture, bank is an information expert class. Bank is responsible for getting the balance information of particular customer, as well as bank is connected with the account of the particular customer. So account number, by considering the account number, bank class can get the balance of particular customer. So this is how information expert class works. Hope you all have understood how the creator pattern and information expert pattern are important in design pattern. If you have any doubt and any questions, then you can write your questions in the comment box. Thank you.